Tired of feeling like your money is a wild river, impossible to control? Let's tame those financial rapids with Quicken Simplifi's powerful transfer features. First, linking your external accounts is key. Head over to the Accounts tab and click at Quicken Simplifi supports thousands of banks, so just search for yours and follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your accounts using your online banking credentials. Now for the fun part, transferring money. Click on the Transfers tab, then hit Create Transfer. Select the account you want to transfer from and the account you want to transfer to. Enter the transfer amount, choose the date for the transfer to occur and add a memo if you want. This will help you in the future to remember why you made the transfer. To set up recurring transfers, like paying your rent or regularly contributing to savings, check the Schedule Recurring Transfer box. You can then specify the frequency: weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even customize it further. Running into snags? Double-check your account balances, ensure your linked accounts are verified, and make sure you entered all the transfer details correctly. If problems persist, Quicken Simplifi's Help Center is a great resource. Finally, leverage Simplifi's budgeting features to manage your cash flow effectively. By categorizing your transactions and setting spending targets, you can visually track your progress and make informed decisions about your transfers, keeping you firmly on track towards your financial goals.